I was formerly a banker and I retired now. So recently my son-in-law and my daughter bought this house. Formerly we were living in a single-storey house. So in order to prepare for my son-in-law, father, mother, who are also same age as me, we are 70, right? So hopefully when they come, they don't have to climb up the stairs. Make it convenient for them to go upstairs. So to make the house look very exquisite. At the same time, when people come, then they are awed by the lift. Because normally not many houses have a lift. At the same time, more to my son-in-law and my daughter, more to cater for my old age in case I cannot climb up the staircase, right? You know, they say it's very special, so it looks like a space station. So then the children come, they treat it as a playground. Not so smooth because the house was in the renovation stage, so there's some coordination between the contractors and them. So after a while, everything went smoothly. Right? So now the lift, whenever we call for service, they come. So that's good on that part. Well, I think this is something very innovative for Malaysia housing system, especially we can market it to those three-storey house. So it's quite nice. So the family will love it. It will be extraordinary. Alright, thank you very much.